Hi guys, you are welcome in the Java Tech. In this video, we will be learning about the web view. So, what is the web view? Web view is the making the Android in which the web browser will be made. So, if you want to print a URL, then you should make a web view. So, for that, open your AIDE and create a new project. Here I have already created the project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to erase this all. Okay, wait. Okay, now when you will create, you will be seeing this page. Now what we should do is we should add a view inside and go to the source code, and in place of text we have to write add web view like that of the image. I think we have done in the list view also. Now you can see there is a web view, which now what we have to do is we have to go to the main activity.java and we have to declare it like you used to do previously. Web view a is equal to find view id r.id dot id dot. Okay, there is a error, we have to first run it. Okay, now we'll see r.id dot id dot. What is the error here? r.id dot. Wait, I'll check it. Okay, the error here was I have not declared the id here. So now what, we will go to the activity and r.id dot. Same thing is happening. Now we will save this. Okay, now r.id dot main web view. Okay, and now we will put cast into it. Now first of all you have to input the android.webkit here. You know how to input it. So now what we should do is a dot set web view client, and we have to give it new web view client and this one. Why we are doing this is so that when we will give a URL to the web browser, then it will redirect you to the Chrome or the another browser. But if you will do this, then it will be redirected inside your own browser. So now the thing is simple. Now what you should do is load URL and you have to give the URL from here. I'm going to give it to google.com. Okay, now everything is okay. Now what you should do is you should go to the manifest. You can go through the manifest from here. Look, android manifest.xml, and you have to add a permission, that is android users minus permission, android name, android permission.internet. You can pause this video and see it, and then you should run. Why we are doing this is so that the internet is alert to this app. Okay, now we are waiting it to install. I'll skip this part. Okay guys, it is installed. Now we'll open and see what happens. Yes, Google is here. Now you can see, you can search, you have made your own browser. Now we'll modify it little bit. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a progress bar, that is when the page is loading, then the progress bar will be shown, and when the page finish to load, then the progress bar will remove. So for that, what we should do is we should go to the design panel and add inside and view. You will see a progress bar here. Okay, you should put it in the center. So center in parent. Okay, now we have to assign ID to this, and I'm going to assign it to main progress bar. I'll leave it to default one, and we have to declare it like you used to do. So what we are going to do is we are going to declare the progress bar dialog. No, it is progress bar dot. No, we are going to give it name to y find view by id r dot id dot main progress bar 1, and we will enter the cast from here. Okay, now what we are going to do is, this is the main thing you should do. You should add a colon here so that, wait, I am going to check it. Yes, you should add a column here so that when the page will finish, then what we should do. So we have to write here public void on page finished and web view t string h. Why we are declaring this is, so when the page will be finished, then the progress bar should be hidden. So for this we should write y dot hide, y dot set visibility to visibility to view dot. Okay, we have to import it, I think. View dot, sorry, there was two dot. Okay, now we have to make this to final. Okay, now everything is working. Now we'll play the code. Okay, I'll skip this part. Okay, now we are going to open the app and see. Okay, now you can see there is a progress bar. I think my internet is slow today. It is too slow, I think. Okay, there is a error because my internet is slow. You can check it later. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to add the URL bar. Okay, now we'll do that. First of all, we'll delete this one and we'll, okay, there was a problem, I think. Add inside, and we are going to add edit text, and we are going to name, keep it to the match parent, means whole thing will be closed. Okay, now so now we should assign a bottom also here. Add below bottom. Okay, now we'll add below a text, and we'll do like we have done in the previous one. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make this to web view, and we are going to remove the text, and we are going to assign a value to main web view. Okay, now let's save and see. What is the error here? Okay, it is working fine. Now what we have to do is you have to give a ID to the main text. Okay, it is already given, and we have to assign an onClick method here. OnClick method, and we'll give it to browse. Okay, now we have assigned everything. Now what we should do is we should go to the Java, and we should add here public void and what a browse, I think browse view h. Okay, now we should declare the edit text. Edit text k is equal to find view by id r dot id dot main edit text, and we should enter the cast. And now what we should do is a dot load URL, I think. Okay, it is not tab, there is no function because we should declare this web view globally. Okay, so to declare it globally you should write here web view a. Okay, now it is declared globally. Now what you should do is a dot load URL https or http, this is the same thing, and k dot get text dot to string. Okay, now we'll make the a dot set visibility to view dot visible. Okay, now we are going to run it and see. I'll skip this part. Okay, now we'll open and see. First it will load the Google. Now we are going to load facebook.com. It is showing error. I don't know why. It is saying that it is ample. Okay, Facebook. Now you can see Facebook also. This much for today, guys. I hope you understood my video. If you have any type of questions, you can comment below. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.